ICSE Computer Application Examination in the year 2013. The question was, write a Java statement to create an object MP4 of class digital. So we have to create an object here. So what is the syntax of creating an object in Java? First of all, class name रहता है, then उसके बाद object name, then equal to sign, then new keyword which is fixed and constructor. सो आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज हियर, पहले तो क्लास नेम लिखना पड़ेगा, तो इसके लिए क्लास नेम ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में डिफाइंड है विच इज डिजिटल. यहाँ पे डिजिटल स्मॉल लेटर में है, लोअर केस में है, तो मैंने भी लोअर केस में ही लिखा है. देन उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट नेम, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट नेम भी गिवन है विच इज MP4, देन इक्वल टू साइन, देन न्यू कीवर्ड ये फिक्स्ड होता है. देन उसके बाद कंस्ट्रक्टर. कंस्ट्रक्टर इज नथिंग बट अ मेथड विच हैज द सेम नेम दैट ऑफ अ क्लास. यहाँ पे क्लास का नेम क्योंकि डिजिटल है इसलिए हम लोग भी यहाँ पे डिजिटल ही लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, बिकॉज क्लास नेम इज डिजिटल. देन सेमीकोलन. तो ये रहा इसका आंसर. ICSE कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन इन द ईयर 2013. व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ कास्टिंग shown in the following examples? So basically there are two types of typecasting in Java. One is implicit typecasting and another one is explicit typecasting. In implicit typecasting, smaller data type will move to larger data type, and in case of explicit typecasting, larger data type will move to smaller data type. So in this question, double x is equal to 15.2 means the value of x will be 15.2 and x belongs to double data type. This question, x will initialize in the variable y. So basically int y is equal to int x means here the value of x is 15.2 and it will convert it into integer data type and then it will initialize in the variable y. So basically double data type converted into int data type. So the answer will be explicit typecasting, and the order of explicit typecasting is double, float, long, int, short or char, then byte. ICSE Computer Application Examination in the year 2013. Now we are going to solve this question number 2, where integer data type will be going to convert and store into long data type, because here the value of a is equal to 12 and a belongs to int data type, and further we are converted into long data type. So basically int data type will convert it into long data type, and this kind of conversion known as implicit typecasting. So the answer of the question will be implicit typecasting, and the order of implicit typecasting is, it will starts with byte, then short or char, then int, long, float and then double. ICSE Computer Application for class 9 and 10 students. These two questions are very important and very relevant questions, and you have to know the answer of this question. So first question is, name two jump statements in Java. So answer of the question is, one is break and number two is continue. Remember one thing, both words should be entirely in small letter. No capital letter will allow. The next question is, name any two basic principles of object-oriented programming. So there are total 4 basic principles and you have to write only 2 of them. First one is inheritance, second one is data abstraction. You can write it in any order. Number 3, polymorphism, and number 4 is encapsulation. So as answer you can write any 2 of them. मैं यहाँ पे inheritance and data abstraction लिख रही हूँ. So this is the answer of these questions.